how to do Uber Eats delivery walking in Canada. Now the first thing that you want to do is get the application. So just go into the App Store and you will search for Uber Driver. You need this app to register for Uber Eats delivery walking, so on and so forth. So here, Uber Driver, you want to get this application. Once you have the app installed, I'm just going to find it here and show you how we can proceed. So on the app itself, you will create an account. You want to register for Uber Eats delivery. Now here you can just input any vehicle that you would like, and I'll show you how we can proceed. So after you have created your account on Uber Eats or Uber Driver in this case, here on the official website, it is going to show us you want to open up the driver app, the one that I just showed you. You tap the vehicle option and then select walking. So you go to account, tap vehicle, select walking, and you can switch between walking and bicycle according to the delivery method of your choice. So once you have your account created with Uber Driver or Uber Eats in our case, you will switch from vehicle type to walking, and then you can deliver food by foot in Canada. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.